If you take a closer look on this label of mayonnaise I bought at the store, I'm sure you can see ingredients you don't recognize. Well, the truth is, some mayonnaise contain additives and oils that you may not really want. In this video, I'll show you how to make your own homemade mayonnaise using just 4 basic ingredients you probably already have in your own kitchen. To make your own mayonnaise, you only need 1 whole egg, 1 teaspoon of lemon, 1 pinch of iodized salt, and 1 cup of oil. I prefer to use either coconut oil or olive oil for health reasons. That's it. Now, let's make your own homemade mayonnaise. First, in a bowl, combine the egg, lemon juice, and 1 pinch of salt. So the egg, one teaspoon of lemon, 1 pinch of iodized salt. Whisk them together until well blended. So I am using this hand whisk, but later on I'll use the electric whisk for blending with the oil. Second, slowly add the oil little by little while continually whisking. I'm going to use this electric mixer. This step is very important. Adding the oil gradually helps the mixture emulsify and become thick and creamy. Continue whisking until you reach your desired thickness and consistency. Let's see. Okay. Then we transfer the mayonnaise in a clean, airtight container. So your homemade mayonnaise is ready. So here are some ideas you can try. Use egg yolk if you want a richer and creamier mayonnaise. Add mustard or powdered garlic for extra flavor. Add a little sugar or honey if you prefer a slightly sweet taste. That's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and God bless.